Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on player attribute masking in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactics, how you can manage a club. So let's get started. So you can tap this settings button first and then tap view. You can use the starting configuration. You can turn this on, or you can turn this off by default. If you turn this on, the player that a exclude your, or the player that another club, the attribute will be masked. You need your scout to unmask. So let's get back. There is another way. By tap the new game, you can start a new game here. Just 5 top league that you want to play. Next, and choose your club what you want to manage. For example, Manchester City. Next, and this one, the attribute masking. You can turn this on or off. For the details, when attribute masking enabled, certain player attributes are not visible to you until you have scouted the player. So if you wish to be able to see all the player attributes from the start of the game, you should disable this option. So please free to try what makes you comfortable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.